we present a volumetric feature warping approach for person reposing. Given a human image and a 3D target pose, we synthesize a new image of the same person in the given pose. Most prior approaches work either in 2D or with 3D meshes. Instead, we apply a lifting encoder to generate a dense 3D feature volume. We then warp these features in 3D space to align them with the target pose. After concatenation with 3D target pose features, a projection decoder creates the output. At the heart of our approach is the 3D warping module. Using the 3D pose, we define a mask for each body part and fit a 3D transformation to warp the volumetric body part features. They now align with the target pose and can be given through the projection decoder. In contrast to our baseline, the 3D approach has a clear advantage, especially when the 2D pose is ambiguous. In comparison to prior approaches, our method achieves state-of-the-art scores.